Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to integrate PayPal payment with Webflow. PayPal offers flexible integration paths for Webflow sites, from native e-commerce checkout to custom payment flows, while Webflow e-commerce plans include built-in PayPal support, as I will show you right now. So if you went to the dashboard and went through the pricing, and here, as you can see, you would get PayPal within the e-commerce plans. So here, these are the normal ones. So these are like the normal standard prices. But what you need to do is to go with the e-commerce plans. And in here, you will have an actual PayPal built in it. So for donations, like it's embedded even like PayPal buttons for donation, etc. But you can also leverage the third-party apps. Now, what do we need to actually have the Webflow e-commerce plans connected with PayPal? So the first thing that you will need is there is many ways to actually make this work. First of all, you could simply go here. Of course, you might try to search for PayPal, which is a valid option, but you will not find it. What you need to do is to actually go for Stripe. Now, Stripe is a method or basically somehow a payments gateway that will help you accept payment through different type of methods. One of them is credit card, as you can see here, Apple Pay, and basically PayPal also works in it, as they are mentioning here. So alongside Stripe can go along Stripe PayPal. So you can have it, letting customers pay with their PayPal account or credit card. So you can have this as like a solution, or simply you could just not have a third-party app. Simply just buy the premium plan, which is going to here, go into your dashboard and go into your plans and simply choose the WooCommerce plan, which is the e-commerce plan. Go ahead and get it. You can go ahead and get it from the main page, not from here. So you can go here, go to pricing and simply got it from this place. Let me just go all the way down, e-commerce plan, and get it from here. It's pretty expensive, but yeah, it comes with a built-in PayPal, which is a very good thing. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.